Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Before we jump in to my unbagging of the Guardians of the Galaxy's Wishables, I wanted to show you my super fun new shirt. So this is the Skyliner shirt from the Pixie Place, and they have tons of fun Disney designs. They also have a Remy from Ratatouille shirt. It says Little Chef and is the cutest thing in the world besides my dog and my husband, but that's besides the point. I really love them. They are Comfort Colors shirts, so I will leave her shop down below. They are adorable, and definitely go ahead and check her out. I just noticed now that like my white ears are kind of blending in with the background, but that's okay. So now let's chat about what we're all here for, is the unbagging of the Garden of the Galaxy Wishables. These came out this month, and I'm pretty sure next month, May, is Star Wars, and then June is Cars. I am so excited for that. I'm gonna be scooping so many of those bags up. Super pumped. But the Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout Wishable bags, the ones that we're going to be trying to get today are Groot, Gamora, Drax, and the Star-Lord. And then I'm sure you guys know this by now, there's always one wishable that comes outside of the bag, and for Guardians of the Galaxy it is Rocket. Is a little cute raccoon. He's adorable. We're not a huge like Marvel fans, but we do like Guardians of the Galaxy. I wasn't going to purchase this set, but then I saw Groot and Rocket's really cute, and I'm like just committed to collecting Wishables now. I don't know if I'll do the Star Wars ones. We're not like huge Star Wars fans like at all. We watched The Mandalorian and that was really cool, and I like Baby Yoda. So if Baby Yoda is a part of the Star Wars Wishable collection, I probably will get it. So we'll just have to see in May, which is in like 2 weeks or a week, what those ones look like. Let's just dive right in. So for the Guardians of the Galaxy ones, I just got 4 bags. I know, it's like not any at all. We can easily have the same one. I tried to feel around, but how they made the Wishables, they are all like the same. I'll show you guys again. But they're all the same shape. Disney. Like you can't, besides Groot having his like little head thing, I was feeling them and then I looked at them like they're all the same shape. Like I'm just gonna grab 4 bags, cross my fingers. My friend Nicole, who I trade my Wishables with, hopefully we get different ones. She already sent me the one she has, so let's just hope mine are opposite of her. I have joined some Wishable trading groups, and it's really like the fancy way to do it is opening them from the bottom. I don't know, y'all. This is what everybody does, and I want to be like a good trade person, so I'm gonna open them from the bottom. So we'll make a go at it. Now all of my bags are open from the bottom. I did not see any of them, so I don't know which ones I still have. Let's start with this one. Oh, so this is Gamora. I think that, or yeah, I think that's how you pronounce it. I really should rewatch this video. I really should rewatch this movie because I haven't seen it in a while. But here is the first Wishable that we had, and she has her red hair, and it actually like flips over of her face. I don't think that. Do this one. All right, so this one feels different than the other one, so I think it's a different one. Oh, so it is a Star-Lord, so this is the one of them that Nicole has. So this one's actually pretty cool. So it has his little mask. I don't think he actually has a face. Does he? No, so he doesn't actually have a face. Just his mask. And his little outfit. Pretty sure I remember this is like the main dude. I really need to rewatch this movie. Okay, so we have 2 more bags. Let's hope that there are not any doubles. Okay, I think this is a different one too. Yeah! This is such a good unbagging. Oh my gosh. So this is Drax. I'm probably butchering these names, you guys. Look how cute he is with his little tats. He's cute with his little tattoos. Adorable. Wow, that is good. We're 3 for 3. Oh my gosh. If we get Groot, if Groot is in here, that's amazing. All right, I'm not gonna feel, I'm just gonna pull. Oh, dang it. So it is a Star-Lord again. So no Groot. Dang it, and I know Groot is like hard to get. So I will have to trade my 1 Star-Lord for Baby Groot. I don't think it's technically Baby Groot, but Baby Groot's the cutest. Oh, wow. That was good. Like for only buying 4 bags and getting 3 out of the 4, well technically 4 out of 5 because we bought Rocket too. That is so good. Yes. All right, so let's look at these guys again. So we have Drax and Star-Lord. And then, right, that's his name. Yeah, so we have Drax and Star-Lord. Then we have Gamora and Rocket. And now we just need Groot to complete our Guardians of the Galaxy collection. Look how cute they are. Love them. So, if you guys have Groot and you are looking for Star-Lord, make sure you comment down below, or even better, go follow me on Instagram at NikkiOvercam and send me a message that you want to trade. Also, there are a ton of fun Wishable trading groups, so if you guys want to join those, just shoot me a message and I'd be happy to send you that Facebook link. But yeah, this was a great unbagging. High five to us. Woo, woo. Okay. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today's unbagging. It was awesome. Again, let me know if you guys want Star-Lord and you have Groot. I'd be happy to trade with you. And yeah, have a great rest of your day. I will see you real soon. Bye.